What's up guys? I got an update on the latest batch of wheel caps for the American Torq thrust wheels that I sell. My manufacturer messed up and they accidentally put a brushed finish on the top surface of this wheel cap, and I don't think that looks good on these wheels. I like the machine look, and that's what I wanted. And so to fix that, they ended up polishing every single cap that on my last batch, and I want to sell it to you guys for the normal price that I sell the machine ones. I often have a set of brushed wheel caps on my website for sale, but because it's kind of time consuming, it takes a lot of effort to get them polished, they cost for a little bit more for a set. And right now, all of these that I have right now are polished. So I'm gonna set that up so that you guys can get the normal wheel caps for the normal price, but they're gonna be polished, so you get a little bit of a savings if you're looking for a polished wheel cap. I'm only gonna have these until this batch is gone. Once they're gone, I'm not gonna have this batch. The next batch that I get will be machined and it'll be back to normal. And I do offer every once in a while, I'll take a set of these and I'll get them polished up and make them look real nice. And I sell those separately. But for this latest batch or this current batch, they're all gonna be polished. Quick, go ahead and grab those while you can, because once they're gone, we'll be back to the normal machine ones, and then you won't have those polished ones. Also, while you're at it, to check out the other parts that I have on my website. While you're there, don't forget to check out the new shirt that I have on the F100 that I'm building, and then the other parts that I sell for the Mustang and other Fords. Again, these batch of wheel caps are only gonna be till these sets are gone. I'm gonna sell them at the normal price, the regular wheel caps, the machined look, instead of the higher price for the polished ones, so you guys can get the polished caps for the cheaper price. It's a good opportunity. Once they're gone, they're gone. We'll be back to the normal ones. So get them while you can, because they're gonna go as fast as my car.